Got an old remote, buttons not working when you press them, having to mash them really hard? Don't throw it away. Don't buy new. Simple, quick repair. Number 2 pencil, couple of minutes. Pull the back off, take out the batteries. Not hard at all. Remove whatever screws are holding it together. This one happens to have only 4 right here in the back. Very simple. Always remember, don't lose anything. Keep everything tidy. Take your thumbnail, separate the housing from the back. You may need to use a spudger sometimes. Number 2 pencil, break it up in a cup. You want to get that to a fine powder. Q-tip, some of that powder on that Q-tip, you're going to brush it onto the contact on the PCB. Put a little bit on the back of the silicone pad as well. Put it back together. Give it a try. That graphite is going to make the contact between the silicone pad and the PCB. Don't do like me and drop in screws. Go give it a try. Save a few dollars, a few minutes of time. Don't throw stuff away. Make it work.